If you're curious about the different features on the PlayStation Portal, such as the touchpad, how does that work? I'm going to show you in this video here. So we probably already know all about the DualSense controller, but how do those features work on here? Let me show you. So we're going to go into Astro's Playroom, and we're going to use the controller demo. So if we go back here, first of all, this will be the vibration, and I can feel them coming through here. You can hear that. And then if we were to go to next, it will then bring you to adaptive triggers. And this is where it will work just like the DualSense controller. So you can see there that the motor's kicking in. And I can feel resistance against my finger. And it's happening on this one as well. And hopefully you might be able to just see it vibrating ever so slightly. Let's put it against the table, you might be able to hear it. There we go. So they work just like the DualSense controller. Now you might be wondering about the touchpad, because we haven't got a touchpad on here. Well, you're going to be using two parts of the screen. If you touch here, you can see it brings up a touchpad, and also here. And then the idea is you use it with your thumbs. And you can see, although it's over the right hand side, it's actually taken up the whole pad. So it's not like right side and left side, it's the whole pad. And likewise with this one over here. And you can use them both at the same time. So you can go left, right, right, left. So that's the touchpad. When you let go of them, they disappear a few seconds later, and they only work on that part of the screen. They don't work anywhere else. If we go to next, motion sensor. So this will also have motion sensor built in. So you can see now, rotation. And you can actually feel the movement in the controllers on the left and right. And also microphone, it has a microphone as well, so you can see as I'm speaking that it's coming up here. Testing, testing, testing. And if we were to hit this, it will also mute the microphone. You can see the orange light comes up here and it comes on here as well. And now no longer is it working when I'm speaking into it, but then when I take that off again, it will start recognizing my voice when I'm speaking there, when I speak a bit louder. Yep. And that's it. So that's the different features working on the PlayStation Portal. So they all work very well, just the same as the controller, apart from the touchpad there, which is a little different. Thanks for watching.